point. You will die.
Foolish.
Why would
Are
he
you
risk
crazy, Umesh?
everything?
People call us crazy. They say we chase danger, do adventures to die. But honestly, we are practicing the art of smiling at challenges and pushing ourselves beyond the limits. When you are hanging from a rope 600 feet above the ground, there is no space for noise, no room for doubt. It's just you and the moment. Every breath becomes deeper, every thought becomes sharper. Fear doesn't vanish, it transforms into focus, into strength. This is not about escaping life, this is how we truly live it. One step, one descent, one heartbeat at a time. And maybe you're right, maybe you're crazy enough to dance at life's most difficult moments. Because when life throws its weight on us, we go broader, not desperate. So if your life feels heavy, it's time to dance, my friend. Not at a party, at the edge, on the rope, face to face with fear. I promise, do it once and you will love it forever. We won't ask you to chase fun or chase adventure. We ask you to chase meaning, purpose, and depth.